Don't let the NVRTC64 DLL end your session. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll guide you through the scan to restore your gaming performance.
Ensure your NVRTC64 environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the NVRTC64 101, the NVIDIA Runtime Compilation library. It provides unmanaged routines for compiling CUDA C++ source code into PTX at runtime, facilitating the dynamic data link between localized scripts and the GPU execution manifest.
Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix.
NVRTC64 in 101.910 belongs to a graphics runtime used by games and 3D applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime repairs legacy DirectX components, while GPU driver updates address OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA files.
Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths.
A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered NVRTC64 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop.
Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files.
A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone NVRTC64 DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials.
A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity.
The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing NVRTC64 and system behavior. If NVRTC64 is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.